Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Reishi mushroom tincture using an easy method. We'll cover everything from gathering your supplies to the final extraction steps. This guide simplifies the process, ensuring you can create your own potent tincture with confidence. You'll learn about the importance of dual extraction to get the most out of your Reishi mushrooms. Get ready to unlock the potential of this incredible fungus right in your kitchen. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need about 100 grams of dried Reishi mushrooms, which can be whole, sliced, or powdered. Next, select a high-proof alcohol, ideally 80 proof or higher, like vodka or grain alcohol, for effective extraction. Don't forget distilled water, a clean glass jar with a tight lid, and a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth for filtering. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. The key to a potent Reishi tincture is dual extraction. Start by placing your Reishi in a jar with alcohol, ensuring the mushrooms are fully submerged. Let this sit for 4 to 6 weeks, shaking daily. After straining the alcohol, take the remaining mushroom solids and simmer them in distilled water for 2 to 3 hours. This hot water extraction pulls out different beneficial compounds. Finally, combine both the alcohol and water extracts to complete your tincture. Once your tincture is complete, store it in a dark glass bottle in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency for several years. For usage, a common dose is 1 to 2 milliliters, taken 1 to 3 times daily, but always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. This easy method ensures you have a high-quality Reishi tincture readily available. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy the benefits of your homemade Reishi tincture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.